Okay, let's take a look at some common adjusting issues that you have with paper airplanes. This guy is freshly folded. We take a quick look from the nose, kind of looks okay. So let's give it a test fly. Oh, nosedive. You see that all the time with paper airplanes. So let's take a closer look at what might be going on here. We look at it from the side, you can start to see what's going on. This whole edge is curved. Dihedral angle looks good, but when you look at it from the side, you can see that there's a curve there. So let's just fix that. Let's flatten that out. And now to give it a little bit of up elevator, you can tweak the corners here up. Better is actually to do inboard here. The corners are easier to get at, but this inboard adjustment of up elevator gives you less chance of asymmetrical drag. So the drag will be even on both sides if you adjust to the inside rather than the outside. Okay, now we've flattened that out, given ourselves a little up elevator. It's flying pretty good. Now, let's do a little left-right experiment here. Let's give it some right rudder, just that much, and let's see what happens. You can see it curving gently to the right. So if your plane is curving to the right like that, you know that it's got a little extra drag on the right-hand side, or perhaps this vertical here isn't perfect. So let's straighten out the right rudder. We're flying straight again. Let's give it a little left rudder just to prove the point. I'm just bending the back of that tail to the left a little bit. It's starting to go left a little bit. We can give it a little bit more and make it even go left further. I'm just giving it that much of a left bend. It's actually must have a little more drag on the right than on the left. We can give it even more left rudder. That's a lot of left rudder. If we don't see something this time, something's seriously wrong. There we go. A lot of left rudder. So really curving left now. So let's give it, there's that left rudder bend. Let's straighten it out. Give it just a little tiny bit of up elevator here. Make sure this is straight and see if we get a nice level straight flight again. There we go. Curving right just a touch. So we could give it just a little tiny bit of left rudder to compensate for that right turn. Dead on straight. So that's your basic adjusting idea. You bend this trailing edge of the plane the direction you want the nose to go. Left, which is bending like that, to go left. Right will make it turn to the right. Up makes the nose go up. And of course down, like we started with, makes the nose go down. That's your basic adjusting technique for any paper airplane with a tail and wings in this configuration. Left to go left, right to go right, up to go up, down to go down. That's how you adjust a paper airplane.